Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to create a business, finance or consultancy services website using free template. You can see the final website will be like this. You can see the home page and about us page. You can see the about us page contents and the services page, the resources page, blog page. You can change the blog display if you want, and the FAQ page. So here you can display the FAQ items in a toggle way. Once the customers click the plus icon, they can view the contents and the contact us page with the contact us form. Okay, without wasting time, let's see how to create this beautiful website using free resources. To create a website, you have to have the domain name, hosting, SSL certificate, and WordPress installed. Let's see how to do this easily with Hostinger. See how to purchase hosting with the Black Friday offer, also with additional 20% coupon code. And let's see how to obtain the free domain, free SSL, and installation of WordPress very easily. Let's see that. Here you can see the rating of the Hostinger in Trustpilot, Google, and other rating platforms. There are two perfect plans available. One is premium, other one is business. Depend on your need, you can select the package. If you are a beginner, better to select the premium package. That is $1.95 per month. This is for the Black Friday deal. You can see you can install up to 100 websites. You can manage WordPress easily with 100 GB SSD and free email, free domain also available, and free SSL. It will automatically install the free SSL. So it's very easy for the beginners. And other features include free one-click WordPress installation. It's very easy to install WordPress. If you are a beginner, it's a very perfect match for you. Okay, let's choose this the premium plan. Here you can see the 48 months. You will have the 1.95 per month. That is the subtotal of $93.6. So you have to purchase 48 months. That is 4 years. So if you purchase 4 years only, you will get this offer. So if you want, you can get 1 month, 12 months, 24 months also you can get. But if you purchase 12 months, it will charge around 2.48 per month. So better to purchase 48 months. That is 4 years. It will be very good offer for you. So it is 93.6. So let's see how to get 20% offer for this. To get additional 20% off, you have to click our referral link that is in the description. After clicking our referral link, you can choose the plan. Wow, now you can see 20% of coupon is applied. So now you can get 74.88. Earlier it was 93.6 per dollars. Now it have changed to 74.88. So please click our referral link to get this 20% off. Then click continue. Now you have to create an account. You can create account easily by clicking your Google email link. So when you click that G, you can sign up. Once you sign up, you will get following form. So here you have to give your details to get the hosting in your name. So you can fill up this form and continue. Okay, now it will go to the payment page. Here you can pay with several methods. You can pay with card, PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay. If you are in India, you will get some other option also. So you can select preferred method of payment and you can pay. Once you submit and confirm the payment, following page will appear. Hello, who is this website is for? So you can select myself or my business. Click next. So in these questions, you can give any answer. So let's give create new website. Click next. And here it will ask, do you want to install WordPress or hosting a website builder? So our preference is WordPress and click next. Here you have to give your WordPress username and password. Username is a email address and password. So this is my default email is appearing there. You can create a password as well. create a strong password as mentioned here, and you have to keep the username and password separately, so this will needed for your WordPress access. Then click next. Here, what type of website do you want to build? So you can give anything here, or else you can click create blank site, whatever choice you can give. So I am giving create a blank site. Now it will ask you to obtain your free domain name. So here you can give your preferred free domain name. So I am giving my domain name here. Here it will show the domain extension. You can select whatever extension here. .in, .io, .me, .com. There are several options available. Most of them are free. Some are paid versions. So you can select your preferred one. So I am selecting .com. Now click next. Okay. Now it will ask you to register your domain name. The primary information is a personal or the company or organization. So I am giving this as a personal. Then click next step. Here it will ask you to fill up the detail. So if you given the detail for hosting, it will automatically appear here. If you want to change anything, you can change here. Then click finish registration. It will take few minutes to register your domain. So once finished, following screen will appear. Where's your target audience located? This is important for the content delivery network, that is CDN. So you have to select the nearest one. So I am from Sri Lanka, so I am selecting the nearest one as India. Okay, now click next. Once you click next, it will automatically start the installation of WordPress, because we have already selected the content management system as WordPress. If you are not selected, you can again select when you go to the dashboard as well. So it will automatically install the WordPress. You have to wait few minutes. Wow, you can see the WordPress is installed. Now you can connect with the H panel. So before that, you have to verify your domain name. Go to the registered email and confirm the email for the domain name. Okay, now come back and click connect with H panel. So in the website area, you can see your website name is appearing. So if you have multiple website, all the websites will be appear here. So if you want, you can click the dashboard and you can go do the settings, or else you can click this WordPress admin and open the WordPress dashboard. Okay, now it will open the WordPress dashboard. Once you click dashboard, the proper WordPress dashboard appear here. Okay, let's start our business website. To start our website, you have to install the theme. So let's go to the WordPress dashboard, go to appearance, click themes. Here go for add new theme and search for Royal Elementor. Okay, this is the theme we are going to install, Royal Elementor kit. It's about the Elementor builder. So click install, then click activate. Okay, once you activate the theme, the following screen will appear. Welcome to Royal Elementor kit. Get start with template kits. So let's click this, get start with the template kits. So it will install the template kit library. Now it will redirect you to the template kit library. Here click allow and continue. So on the left side, you can see the Royal add-ons will be appear here. It will select the template kits. Here you can see there are free and pro templates appearing. So once you select this free on the right side here, click free. Now you can see only free themes appearing here. So here search for business. Okay, now you will get the business themes. Those are free. We already selected free. So there are so many business themes appearing. This is the one business theme. This is another one. This is another one. Third one. Similarly, 4, 5, 6. There are so many business themes available. You can install your preferred one, and editing is similar for each of the themes. So you can select your preferred one. So for this demonstration, I am selecting this theme. It having many pages with the multiple complex type of contents. So let's click here. So if you want, you can see the theme. Here you can see it will show each by each page as home, about, services, resources, blog, and single blog like this, and FAQ contents we have already seen. So if you want to preview the demo, you can preview here. I have shown in the introduction. So I'll skip this step and click import template kit. Now it will import the template kits. Click OK and wait for a few minutes, depend on your internet speed and hosting speed. Once the import is successful, you will get following message: import was successful, and click a visit site. So once you click visit site, wow, you can see all the demo contents have been imported. Okay, now let's see how to edit this website completely. Okay, let's edit header and footer. So you can edit header and footer straight away by click this edit with Elementor. You can see financial services V1 header. So once you click that, you can edit this header. And once you click the financial services V1 footer, you can edit the footer part. So like that you can edit, or else you can go to the WordPress dashboard. Here you can go to the Royal Addons and click theme builder. Here also you can see the header part is here, footer, archive, product tag, so those kind of things you can edit here. So both ways you can edit. So whichever your preference you can do. So once you click this edit template, click skip. Now you can see all the header parts can be editable. So there are two structures, one this top bar and this the menu bar. So you can see the container here and container here. Okay. So let's edit this address bar. So once you click this one, you can see the address bar is appearing here. Once you copy, you can copy this or you can delete. Now you can edit this one. So if you want, you can edit this one. So it's simple editing, you can do easily. On the right side, you can see the phone number. So that also you can edit. So you can change the icon also if you want. Once you click, you can change the icon library. So you can edit this phone number and the email. So you can edit your email address. I have another tutorial on how to create a business email. So you can watch that video. So this is how you can edit this top bar. And once you click this part, you can edit this logo and menu bar. So once you click here, you can see the logo image and the retina image. So you can, once you click this image, you can select other files from media library, or you can upload your logos from your computer. So you can change this default logo. Similarly, you can edit this you can change this retina image as well. It's very simple. And if you want, you can change the alignment also. You can change the alignment. So those kind of things you can do. And this is the primary menu. So I'll show you how to go to edit this menu. And this is contact us. This is a button. So once you click, you will get the name, email, and message box, and customers can send. So you can see here, there's a button title, contact us, or book an appointment. So whatever way you can. So if you put book appointment, the space is not enough. So you can move this context here like this, like this. You can move. And some are available in the pro features. The style you can change the colors, typography, those kind of things you can do. So it's simple. So let's come to this menu, editing of menu. You can see it will show, once you click this menu part, it will show you go to appearance menus to manage your menus. So for that, let's go back to our website and go to dashboard. So in the dashboard, go to appearance and click menus. Here you can see the main menu, that is here, the home, about, services, resources, those kind of things are here. So if you don't want any pages, for example, if you don't want these resources, click here and you can remove this item. So if you don't want any menu content, you can remove. Similarly, if you want to rearrange, just drag and drop. For example, if you want to change like this, you can drag and drop. And if you want to keep the about here, you can drag and drop. Likewise you can do. So once you save, you can see the changes. This is how you can edit the menu contents. Okay, so once you've done the editing, you can publish. Oh, okay, now you can see the about page is moved here. So like that you can edit. Okay, now let's edit the footer part. So footer part, let's edit through this front page. So go to edit with Elementor. Here you can see financial services V1 footer. So other way also you can do that. So we'll edit like this. So let's click this one. Now you can see the footer contents, all the footer contents can be editable. So once you click this one, you can edit the logo with your one. And once you click this one, you can edit the content. That is a simple summary of your website. You can enter here. And this one, you can give a heading, is a heading part. And here you can edit with subheading contents like this. So if you want to redirect the customers to the any other pages, once you put the heading, you can put the link of the page where you want the customers to redirect. Like that, you can do. Similarly, the about page, heading, those kind of things you can edit. So if you don't want any column, you can just click here, just right click. Here you can delete this column. So you can keep 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 column if you want. You can keep as 3. So similarly, this work hours, those kind of things you can edit. So if you don't want too many items, you can just edit the column. That just delete the column. And contact info, similarly, you can click here, and here you can see the icon list, and here the phone number, email, and address. So once you click this phone number, you can edit the phone number and the icon. Similarly, email, you can click and edit. So those kind of things you can do easily. And the footer credit, so this is a free thing, but they are allowing us to edit this footer credit. So once you click this one, you can see copyright year created with, so you can edit with your content. So I'll give my main website name. So if you want to give a link to your main website, you can select that part and click this insert link. So here you can paste the main website, this one, and once you click this item, you can see you can open the website in a save link or open in a new tab. So once you keep this one, once the customers click that link, it will open in a new tab. So once you're done, you can publish. And similarly, this call now icon, so it's an icon for phone call. Here you can give the phone number. So in the mobile, once the customers are visiting your website, once they click this call now, it will direct the customers to the phone call, and they can directly call you without copy paste your phone number. Okay, let's come back and let's see the website. You can see the change have been appearing here. Once the customer click this link, it will redirect them to the main website. I have the link I have given. Okay, so this is how you can edit the footer part. Okay, now let's edit the front page. So you can edit the front page by two ways. One way is you can click this edit page icon here and you can edit with Elementor. Other way is you can go back to the WordPress dashboard and click pages and click all pages. So here you can see the all pages appearing. So once you go there, this is the home. So front page Elementor. So here you can click edit with Elementor. So both ways you can do. So let's do the other way. So come to the home page, click edit page. So it will open the WordPress blog editor, but this page is created using the Elementor. So let's close this and click this edit with Elementor. Okay, now you can see this part. This is a slider part, that's a carousel part. So there are two pages here. This you can click here and you can see the image. So you can edit this image. If you want to change, you can choose image. You can change the image. So keep in mind, better to use the similar size image. That is very important. And size, you can see the cover. So it will cover the whole area of that. With this can burn effect is the moving image. So but that is a pro feature. So if you install the Elementor Pro, you can use that feature and you can change the color and other things. So once you click this content, here you can see the title, empowering your financial feature. So you can click and you can edit this part. That's the main heading. So you can increase or decrease the size of the heading. You can see, and also the subtitle. You can see this is the subtitle and the description. So if you want to give, you can give a description. So if you want to break between lines, you have to give this code, that is BR code. So you have to give this BR to end the sentence and start in a new line. For example, you can see knowledge content, that's full stop. You can see knowledge content and full stop. Then to start a new line, you have to give the copy paste this code and it will start the new line like this. And there are you can see there are three buttons. One, explore more, contact us, call now. So this explore more is the primary button. So you can choose here this explore more. If you want to add any icon, you can give some icon library. You can give any icon like this. So you can see explore more, it will give us some icon here. Similarly, the contact us, the other one. So if you want to give the contact us to the contact us page, so let's open a website. So this is the contact page. So just copy paste the contact us page link, copy the link, and you can paste here. So once customers click this contact, it will redirect them to the contact page. Okay, that is first slider. So you can see there's another slider thing, that is securing your financial wealth. You can come back to a website, it will go down. You can click this other dot, you can see it's opening the other page, that is securing your financial well-being, navigating those kind of things. So let's go back and you can click here, and here you can see the background image, the contents you can edit as we have done earlier. So if you want to add more like this, you can add another item. Here you can put another item. So more than 4 slides are available for pro version. So up to 4 slides you can add here. So that is a slider or carousel. So you can change the time. Wait, I'll show you. So go to the settings. Here you can see the image resolution full, media type, background, and column. Those kind of things you can see. Slides to scroll. So actually this autoplay part is the pro version. So if you install the Elementor Pro only, this automatically will change. Otherwise, it will static. So those kind of things you can edit here. So that is for this front banner part. That is the slider or carousel. And let's go down. So you can see this part. So let's click this arrow icon. So this part you can see, this is a header and the text. On the right side you can see is a promo box. You can see this promo box. So you can edit this part by the title. You can edit here, and the content, once you click the contents, you can see on the left side you can edit the contents very easily. On the right side you can see the promo box. So here you can give any image. You can see this image you can change if you want. And if your website having too many images, you can optimize the image sizes to easily load your website. For that you have to install the image optimizer plugin. So if you want, you can do that. So here you can see the content, the promo box. You can see contents. You can see this is the title, and then this is the contents. And if you want, you can give effects like zoom in, animation effects, zoom out. So those kind of effects you can give, and you can practice yourself. Similarly, you can edit this one as well. Same things, you can edit the image and the contents here. Now you can see it's sliding in. So the effects is zoom in. Now let's move down. Here you can see the heading and the description, icon, heading, description. Very simple. So once you click this one, it's a header box. So you can edit this heading. So keep in mind, so if you want to give some break in between the headings, you have to copy this one. This is a break. So I'll show you. So if you want to give another break here, you just copy paste. Now you can see the line is the heading is break into 3 lines. Like that you can edit. And this part is the text editor. You can edit the text here. So if you don't want anything, you just right click here and you can delete any topic or any section. If you don't want, you can delete here. It's very easy. And coming to this part, this is the image box. So image box, it having the image, simple title, and the description. So image box, you can choose any image or icon. As you click, you can see you can upload any icons here. The image resolution is full. So image title, you can give title. It is appear here, and you can edit the contents. So similarly, you can edit all the contents here. So if you want to keep the columns into 3, we just click here. You can see it's a grid layout. So here you can see the number of columns. So if you want to reduce the number of columns 3, you can make it like this, or you can increase the column size. So similarly, or rows also you can increase and decrease. So it's very easy. You can easily edit this column part. Okay, let's move this arrow and go down. Now you can see the image is coming this from the left side and the content is coming from the right side. So how to do this? Click here. This is the image box. Once you click this, you can see image. So here you can choose any image you want and you can add here. And image resolution you can see 1224 into 1024. That's a box shaped image. So if you want to replace it, you can keep the image similarly like that. So if you want to know how to create the image to preferred size, so we have created a tutorial in 2 minutes. So just watch that video and you can see how to get the images in a particular size. Okay, go to style, and here you can increase or decrease the width. You can see the width is, you can increase or decrease. Box shadow, so those kind of things we can keep as it is. The advanced, so at the advanced you can see the motion effects. So the motion effects is the entrance animation is the default one. So if you want, you can give fade in. So those kind of things you can practice. Fade from right, fade from left. So those kind of things you can practice yourself. That is available in the advanced and motion effect. Similarly, you can go here. This is edit heading. You can edit the heading here, or else you can directly edit here as well. Both ways you can edit in the Elementor, and also the other context. That's the text editor. You can give the text, and the edit image. You can give any signature, or else if you don't want this, you just go and delete. Very simple. Let's close this. Okay, let's edit this area. Once you click this arrow, you can able to edit this area. So once you click these 6 dots, you can edit this container. The container means this section. So here you can go to this style, and here you can edit the image. So you can choose your preferred image, or else if you don't want any image, you can put any background gradient color like this, or else you can put videos or whatever you can put. So I just disable this, or else you can make the classic, that's the previous image. Also you can edit the image resolution, full width, the image size, the position, those kind of things you can put. This background overlay means if you put the image that hiding these letters, you can put any image overlays or any image overlay color. So once you put image overlay color, these letters can be visualized clearly. So those kind of things you can do here. Okay, let's edit the contents. So once you click this one, you can go to the edit dual color heading. So you can keep two color headings. So the first one is this primary heading, taking the proper actions. That's the first one. Second one is the precisely when needed. That's the second one. So you can edit this content and also the color. Similarly, you can edit the content and color. So color, you can go to the style, and here you can see the text color. You can edit here. So this is the primary heading. You can edit the color. In the secondary heading also, you can edit the color here. So like that you can edit. And this part is a text editor. You can edit the text. If you don't want, you can just delete here. And these 4 columns are counters. There are so many counters available. So this counter is number starting from 10 up to 150, and also number suffix is plus. So if you want percentage, you can put percentage. So if you are putting percentage here, you can make it to 100. So like that you can put. And also other one is the happy clients. Similarly, you can edit 0 to 85, or you can start from 110. So you can give the start number and the ending number, and how long the animation has to run. So this is 2000 milliseconds. These are milliseconds. Here also you can adjust the time. So similarly, you can adjust here this starting number 0 to 230, and the animation duration is 2000, and the title is award winning. So you can uh, change to some other topic like happy clients, like that you can edit here. Similarly, this part also you can edit with this. These are the counters. So if you don't want any counter, you can delete simply. So let's go to the next section, that is the client feedback and review. So once you click this one, you can edit the headings like client and style. Go to style, you can change the color, those kind of things you can do as done earlier. Similarly, you can edit this text editor. So these feedbacks are actually given by ourselves. So these are the sample feedbacks given ourselves. So once you click this item 1, you can edit the image. If we want any company logo, any title you can give, and also the description, their comments, those kind of things you can give here. Similarly, you can add more clients. You can see this is the first client, this is the second client. So those up to 4 clients you can add. So more than 4 testimonials are available in the pro version. So in the free version you can add up to 4 feedbacks. And let's come to the final part of the home page, that is get in touch. That's the contact us form. This is a simple contact us form. The main contact us form is in the contact us page. This is a simple form in the front page, so you can edit here. Once you click, you can edit this title, heading, and colors, those kind of things you can edit, and the animation you can edit in the advanced. And this is the text editor, you can edit the text. And here is the image book. You can see the image is the left side, and the main title and the description, those are here. And this box is the icon box. You can have the icon, mobile number, and details. And here the text editor. So those kind of things you can edit simply. On the right side you can see this is a form builder of Elementor. So you can create a form. So complete form I'll show in the contact us part. Here is a simple page like simple form like name, email, and message. So you can see it's a text name and the email and the message. So also you can edit the button. Here the button is send. So if you want you can make it submit. So those kind of things you can edit. The email. So here you have to edit the email too. So when the customers fill the forms, where the email has to send, so you have to give the email. So I have given my email. So once the customer fill the form, the email is sent to me, and the subject is a new message from cleaning or whatever you can give the subject. So this is the simple editing of the front page. Once your editing is done, click publish. Okay, let's come to the editing of next page, that is services. So let's click the page. So you can see the services, and with the video background, there's a slider, and these details, client feedback, those kind of things are here. So let's edit this page. So click edit with Elementor. Okay, let's edit this part. So once you click this section, you can edit the container. So once you go to the style, you can edit this image. So if you want, you can edit this background image. Okay, let's edit this text. So click this is at heading. So here you can edit text. So like our services, so whatever way you can edit here. So once you go down, you can see the left side there's a heading and the text editor. On the right side you can see image box with the title and the description. Okay, on the left side, so first edit this text, then if you want you can edit this text as well. So if you don't want this text box, you can just delete here. So here once you click this box, you can choose image, you can change the image. In the title you can edit the title, and the description you can edit here. In the advanced you can give the motion effects. So here the motion effects is zoom in, and the animation duration is normal. So if you want you can change. Also you can edit this whole 6 icons with one container editor. So this is the container. So once you click this one, this container belongs to these 6 image boxes. So here you can see this is a flex box. If you want you can make it a grid like this, but this flex box is more suitable. And style, if you want to put any background overlays you can put here. For example, if you want to put a gradient, you can put some gradient colors like this, you can put here. The second color, rather than red you can put some blue like colors. And if you want any borders, you can add some border type, border solid, this kind of border you can put. Okay, similarly this area, if you want to give some color background, you can give some color. Typography, if you want to change the color. The text color, if you want to change the text color, you can change it, or you can change to blue. On the advanced, again you can background, you can give background image, or else you can give a classic or gradient color, whatever you can give. So like this you can give. Okay, on the next side you can see the background video is playing. So let's see how to give video and how to edit here. So you can go here, you can click the six dots, and here you can give alignments and those kind of things, and go to the style. Here you can give video link. So this video is selected. You can see the video is selected. The video is selected. Here I have given a YouTube video link. So that video will play in the background. You can assign the time. So the YouTube video is there. You can give the time which part should be played here. So this video is playing from the 10 second to 78 second. And also you can enable the play in the play once or play it repeatedly. Also play on mobile. So those kind of things you can activate or disable. So if you want to disable the video on the mobile, you can disable here. Otherwise you can keep as it is. So those kind of things you can do it here. In this area, this is the image box. You can edit this image box. And if you want to edit this full section, you can click the six dots and edit the full section. Now within the section you can edit this image box. This is the inside container. This belongs to whole area, and this is containers belong to this image only. So you can see which container is belong to which area. So this one is for the image. You can edit the image size here. This is the box image. You can see on the right side you can see this is header. You can edit this heading, and the text editor you can edit the text. And this item is the image box. You can see on the left side there's an image and the text. You can see the left side image and the text. You can see the style here. So the image position, you can see the image position on the left. If you want, you can make it in the middle or on the right side. So you can arrange the image according to your needs. So those kind of things we can edit easily. Once you go down, this is a real client feedback we have done earlier. The same way you can edit here. This is the title. This is the subtext editor. You can edit the text. And these are the testimonials. That's the feedback from the clients. So you can see the two items are visible here. Another two, once you click this, customer click these two dots, you can see other two are available. So altogether four. So the free version you can add only four testimonials. And settings, you can see the column, two columns view. If you want, you can make it one. You can see, or you can make it three. That's the pro, but two is free. So you can do that one. And infinite loop. So loop is infinity till rotate. And the transition duration is 0.7 seconds. So if you want, you can increase or decrease the time as well. So those kind of things you can do in this page. So once you done the changes, we can publish the changes. Okay, let's come to the next page, that is resources. You can see the resources is having the news, recent news and blogs, case studies, company events. So these kind of things are here. So let's edit this page. So click edit with Elementor. Okay, as we done earlier, we can edit this part with the six dot, this container. Go to style. Here you can edit the image. Then once come back, click this resources. Once click this resources is the edit heading. You can edit heading here and also edit the heading size. Those kind of things you can done here. Other part is recent news and blogs. This is the heading. So you can again edit the heading, and also you can edit this paragraph. Here you can see the posts are displayed as all posts, then each categories. You can see banking, budgeting, insurance. So this categorically it is post here. So how to edit this one? To edit this one, this is the edit post grid slider or carousel. Once you click this arrow, you can see you can edit this part. So here you can select the sources. You can select the post, pages, or whatever. So here we have selected the post, and selection is dynamic. So it is automatically select the post. Once you click this manual, you can manually select the post. Once you click here, the available post will appear. So you can manually select which post to be displayed here. So those kind of things you can do. So for the moment you can keep dynamic. So it will automatically select the dynamic post. That's the latest one will appear, depend on the categories. And also order by the date. and order by the descending. And you can see the layout. So this layout the fit to equal height. So it will appear in the equal height. And also column, you can select the columns. Here is 3 columns selected, but 4 5s are pro features. So once you select 2, it will display the 2 posts here like this. Not so filters, so pagination, those kind of things you can do here. And the elements, the title, date, comment, those kind of things you can add. So those kind of things you can do it here. Go back and go down. This is case study. Again, you can see once you click here, once you click this 6 dots, that is the section edit container. So you can edit this background image. So go to style. Here you can edit this background image. And also in the advanced, this is the pagination. So padding. So how with you want to display this image, you can increase and decrease the margin and padding. So those kind of things you can do here. Once you're done, you can click this case study. This is the heading. You can edit the heading, and this text editor you can edit text editor. And once you come to this container, this is a grid. You can see this this grid has 6 columns. Once you click this inside container, there's another container. You can edit each containers like this. Here you can see each container. You can edit the width and size, those kind of things you can edit. You can see you can edit the container. So you can edit. So once you click, you can edit this image, and once you click, you can edit the heading. And this is the text editor and the button. So these kind of things are here. Once you edit one container, you can copy paste container to other columns as well. Likewise, you can edit this area. Once you come here, you can see again this heading and this text description. On the right side, you can see it's the icon list. This is a different part of editing. So here you can see the icon list, that is the date and the time here, and the heading and the title and the text editor. So once you're done, and also you have the button. So once you edit this one, you can copy to other areas as well. Similarly, you can edit this one. It's very easy. The last part you can see, you can edit this section. I create this one. This is a container. So if you want to put any background image or background detail, you can put. So here you have put half image and half empty, like that you can put. Okay, on this side you can see you can edit the heading, and this is the text editor. This is very important one. You can see this is a feature list. You can see once you click this edit, you can edit each items. So this is a feature list content. Once you go down, once you click this one, you can see each content you can edit. So once click this one, you can edit the title and the description, and if you want, you can give any link. So here you can select icon. This icon from the icon library, you can select any icon like this. You can select. So whatever the preferred item you can select. So similarly, you can keep on adding. So there are 4 items here. If you want to add, you can add, or else you can copy that one. You can see it is added here. So those kind of things you can add. And next part is you can see this the left side heading and the description, and again another icon list. Here you can give text in lines with the icon. Once you click here, you can see you can select the icon and you can give the description. Similarly, you can put here as a download link. So you can give the download link text, and also you can give some Google Drive or some other places to download the document. So to download document, I have created another tutorial how to add download document. You can watch that video. Okay, on the right side you can see this is just a image box. If you want, you can remove keep this one, or else you can delete that. So these kind of things you can do in the resources page. Once you done the editing, you can publish. Okay, let's edit the blog page. So here you can see the blog title and the blog and the posts are available. with categories. You can change the categories here and post type appearing like this. On the right side, you can see a search bar and one advertisement, the latest post, and the categories and tags. So let's see how to edit this. So once you click this edit page, you will see there's no editing option with the Elementor. So once you click on the right side, you can see the default template. The post page template cannot be changed. So you can't edit with the WordPress blog editor, but you can edit with Elementor in different way. For that, go to your WordPress dashboard, click Royal Addons, click Theme Builder. On the Theme Builder, click Archive. On the archive, you can see Financial Services V1 blog. So this is the blog page editor. So click Edit Template. Okay, now you can see the blog page is editable. So here you can edit the container, go to style, you can change the image, and also you can edit this heading, like you can change to post or whatever name you can edit here, and you can go down. Now you can see this part is editable. You can edit the container, and once you click this pen icon, you can edit this item. This is the current query, the post ordered by the date, and the descending order. Okay, let's edit layout. Here you can see it's a full width layout with one column. So if you want to increase the column number, you can increase here. 2 or 3 you can do. Go to the elements. Here you can see the title, date, comments, excerpt, read more. These elements will be available. If you don't want some elements, you can remove them. And media overlay, image effects, those kind of things you can have. These are the post categories. So categorically it will display the post. So if you want to change the post categories and change the post in a different category, you can go to the WordPress dashboard and go to posts. Here you can click categories. Here you can see the categories. You can edit the number of categories. If you don't have any post to a particular category, that category will not be displayed. So if you want to, if you go to the old post, here you can see the whole post available. So if you want to edit, click quick edit, you can edit here, and you can change the category. Here you can see this post is belongs to banking and tax strategies and insurance. So if you want to change the categories, you can change it and you can update. So like that, you can visualize the category post here. On the right side, you can see this is the search bar. Once you click this one, this is Ajax search. Ajax search means once you type three letters, it will automatically display the relevant post. Okay, so you can edit the this item. So the placeholder is search here. So if you want to edit this search with another word, you can edit here. So by default, you can keep the default setting as it is. If you go down here, you can edit this one. This is a promo box. It's like an advertisement banner. So here you can put an image. So image may be a cover image. So you can put the image here. So effects is zoom in. So once you move the mouse, it will zoom in. And the animation duration you can set. So that's the image box. And you can edit the content. So here this is the title. This display here. And this is the description. And the button if you want, you can give a link to another website or the another page, and you go have the button text explore more. So if you want, you can change. So those kind of things you can do here. When you go down, there's the latest post. So once you click this is the edit heading, so you can edit the heading. So once you click this icon, this is the post grid. So you can show the post order by date. So if you want to display a featured post, so you can edit the title as featured post, and the content here selection. Here you can give selection by manual. So manually you can select the post. So click here, it will show the post. So you can select a different post because the latest posts are already available in the left side post. So on the right side you can display the features post. So I'll select this one, and you can select another one, this one, and you can select another one, this one. So like that, you can select any featured post you want to display. Also, you can limit the number of posts. So if you want to display 5 posts, you can increase 5 posts, and you can select 5 posts here. And go down, you can display the categories. Here, once you click this heading, you can edit the heading. And once you click this, it's a query taxonomy list. You can select the taxonomy, so show the categories. So if you're selling products, you can show the products, but here you can display the categories. Similarly, the tags also you can display. The title is tags, and once you click this one, the taxonomy, you can click tags. So the tags are available here. The tags are very useful for search engine optimization. So those kind of things you can edit in the blog area. Once you done the editing, you can publish the page. Let's come to the next page. It is FAQ. You can see the FAQs are available here. So let's edit this page. You can edit with Elementor. Okay, as we done earlier, you can edit this FAQ heading and go to container. You can go to the style and edit the background image. And once you come down, this is the title. So you can edit the title. And these are the accordion. So there are left side and right side accordions. On the left side, you can see advanced accordion. So once you click this one, you can see the title and the paragraph. So you can give the title and the contents. Similarly, you can edit all other contents. Same like you can edit the title and the contents. So if you want to add any icon, you can add icon. So those kind of things you can do here. Once you go to style, you can give any background color, those kind of things you can do, but for the moment just keep as default. And go to settings. Here you can see the accordion type is accordion and trigger is click. So once a customer click, it will open. If you select hover, once the customer move the mouse, it will open. So better to keep the click. So here you can edit the questions and answer. Similarly, on the right side also, you can edit the contents. There are contents. You can see each item. You can give question and answer type items. So it's very easy. You can edit all the contents in the FAQ. Once you edit, you can publish the changes. Let's come to the about page. About page also similar. You can see we had done earlier this editing part. You can easily edit the contents. You can see when the customer click these items, it will show the contents like this, and down you can see all are we have done earlier. So I'll just show you again. Go to edit with Elementor, click 6 dots and click go to style and edit the background image, and this topic you can edit the heading, and here you can edit. There are two. This is the section and this is the inner section. So you can see the inner section. Go to advanced. You can see the motion effect. It is come sliding left. From the left, it is coming inside. On the this one, you can see. Again, go to advanced and motion effect. You can see this is sliding right. So this is come from left. This is come from right. You can edit. And the contents you can edit easily. Edit the heading, contents, and this is the image box. You can see image. Here it's a button. So those kind of things you can edit easily. And company roadmap, you can see. You can edit this data heading, and this is the description. There was the text editor, and this is another interesting one. This is a story timeline. So this is a new one here. You can see it will show the timeline what have your company have done. So here you can edit. So go to content. So a slide to show it to show the 3 items, and go to the timeline items. Here you can give the timeline items. I'll show you. So this is the 3 items it's showing, but once the customer click this arrow, it will show more items, so that you can go here and do the topic, and here you can show the label and the contents. So here you can give the timeline label, that's the date, and this short-term goals or medium-term goals. You can give simple secondary label, then the image, then the title, item title, then description. So
you can keep on adding the items. So here the 5 items are there, but it shows the 3 items on the display. If you want to increase the item, you can do it. The layout, you can see the layout, you can increase the item to display. So it shows 4. So better to keep it. So it's nicely displaying the timeline projects. If you go down again, it's the image box and the text. So once you edit here, you can see this image. You can edit the image. On the right side, you can edit the heading, the title, and the description. This is the text editor. And this one is edit icon list. We can give the icon and the description. You can see the icon and the description you can give. So you can create the website very nicely. Similarly, on the down, you can see you can edit the heading and the text editor. And this also the feature list. This feature list also you can edit. You can go to the content and you can edit here the icon and the tools and techniques. So those kind of things you can edit here. And this is the theme. So once you go, you can click this heading, you can edit the title, and the text editor, you can edit the text. And here, once you go to this container, this is a grid container, you can edit the size of the grid. And here you can show the number of columns. Here it's 4. If you want, you can reduce to 3 or increase to 5. So you can edit depend on your team members. Also, you can add the rows. If you have more many team members, you can keep on adding the rows. Then you can put the team members. Here you can see the image, name, and the position. So once you click this pen icon, you can see the image. There's that edit team member widget. You can give the any image and the name and the job. So similarly, you can keep on adding all the other team members. And this one, our clients. Here also you can edit these 6 dots, go to style and edit this image. Then you can click this one, this is the header. So you can edit the headings. And here is the images. So you can add images you want as you wish. Once you click this container box, you can edit the number of images. You can see the container layout grid, and here you can edit the number of columns. So depend on your customer list, you can edit the number of columns. Here the rows are 1. If you have too many clients, you can keep on adding the rows. It's very easy. Once you're done, you can publish. Okay, let's come to the final part to edit the contact us page. You can see in the contact us page, you can give the contact info and the email details. On the right side, the contact us form and the Google Map location. So let's see how to edit this. Click edit with Elementor. So as we done earlier, click these 6 dots, go to style, edit this image and click this contact, edit the heading. Once you go down, this normal just heading and the text editor, you can edit those details. Once you go to this section, this edit grid, you can see it have 3 columns, one for email, phone and the office location. So if you want to increase or decrease the columns, you can edit here. And once you click this icon, this icon box, you can change the icon here, office email and email addresses you can give. As I mentioned earlier, once you want to break the lines, you can give this code. And similarly, this one you can edit here with the break here. You can see image box, title and the description. Similarly, this one, location, office location, address, you can give the break here and give the address details. So here, once you come here, this section, you can click these 6 dots, go to style, and you can edit this background image. Once you edit, come back, click this one, you can edit the heading and the main office detail. And this is the divider. So if you want to keep the divider, you can keep this. It's a solid style. So you can give double. So those kind of things you can give here. And once you click this one, this icon list, so there are a telephone number, email, and the address. So once you click, you can click this text icon, and if you want to give the link, you can give the link. Similarly, email and the address. So there are too many items are there. The same way is displaying
The same thing it is displaying in the different ways, so you can keep the preferred one and others you can delete. On the right side, this is the form. So once you click, this is the form builder. You can see it have name, email, and the message. This is the free theme, has these three items only. You can see more than 3 fields available in the pro version. So the free version only having these 3 items, so it is more than enough: name, email, and the message. So if you want to edit these things, you can edit here. The name is the text, so you can keep as the default values, no need to do anything. Email also same, so it's required one, so customer need to type email, otherwise it will, they can't send the message. And also the messages, so you can increase or decrease the number of rows. And also button, so it's a send button, so if you want, you can change submit or contact us, whatever name you can give here. And settings, you can edit setting here, success message. So once the customer successfully send the message, they will get the following message: submission successful. If you want, you can edit here. Also error message, you can edit the error message if you want. That is MailChimp action is, that is MailChimp is available in the pro version, so no need to worry about that. So email here, so once the customer fill the form, to which email you want to receive the mail, so you can give here. So I'll give my email, info@mayas.com. So I give my email. So once you'll receive the emails as follows: the new message from cleaning or new message from whatever the company you have, you can give that, and it will send all the message field. That is mean the name, email, and the message you can get. So that's the default one. So no need to change that one. And those kind of things as default you can keep. And this one you can see it's a Google Map. So you can add the API key, but no need to worry about the API key. You can easily done with Elementor Maps widget. So you can delete this one. Let's add another widget. Layout, this one. And click this plus icon. Here search for maps. So you can add this Google Maps widget here. So in the Google app widget, you can give your location. It's very easy. Once you give the location, it will automatically show your location. So once you're done, you can publish. So go to contact. You can see it is nicely displayed the Google Map as well. So before conclusion, let's see how to edit this book appointment canvas. For that, go to edit with Elementor. Here you can click this off canvas. That's a container. Here you can see canvas, same thing, name, email, messages. So if you want to edit anything, you can edit here as we done in the contact us form. Then we can save it. Okay, this is how you can create a finance or business or services website with free resources. So if you have any queries, please leave us a comment and please subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.